Hey guys, I will show you how to fix this problem on Windows system. So this solution is applicable for Windows 10 as well as Windows 11 operating system. So what you have to do, you need to just follow my screen and we will fix this issue together. In the first step, we need to open command prompt. So go to search bar, type here cmd, right click here and select run as administrator. Select as. Once we are here, we need to execute some commands, so type all these commands carefully and hit enter to execute them. First command is netsh winsock reset and hit enter. Then type in netsh winsock space reset space catalog. Then type in netsh intip reset log.txt, and once done type ipconfig space /flushdns and hit enter. Once done, just type exit to close the command prompt window, then open settings, click here to open it. Now click on these three lines and go to network and internet. Just scroll down, make sure we have to disable this option, and then go back, go to advanced network settings, click on network reset and click on reset now. The window will shut down in 5 minutes. So before this, we have to update the drivers of network setting. So go to device manager, expand the network adapter, click on your particular connection, select properties, go to drivers tab, go to update driver and select the first option. Then the best drivers for your device will be installed automatically. Once done, close all windows one by one and simply restart your system. That's it guys. You can also check out our description link to fix this issue quickly and effectively. That will be a better option to fix this issue. And yeah, don't forget to like the video. Please do subscribe the channel.